So guys, this video tutorial is for newbies. So after you've created your hot your hot account, that's Hotmining on Telegram, and usually it takes 2 hours for this thing to get filled up until you upgrade. So mine has gotten filled up. I could not upgrade because I have not gotten near. So because there's a requirement that you can check my other videos for other requirements on how to get near, how to download the here wallet, how to import your Telegram near wallet to here wallet app, then how to convert near in your here wallet to USDT inside the wallet in app swap, and it's quite fast. So you can check my other videos for those guides. So now once this thing gets filled up, if you don't get to claim, you can't mine any longer, you get stagnant. So you need to be monitoring this mining. So in order for you to continue mining, since the storage is full, you click on storage and you click on claim. There's a storage field, so you click on claim. So after you click on claim, it has claimed. That's the only way it will start mining all over again. So let's see how this is done. So as far as mining now, it means it has actually claimed. All right, so we're good now. So it's mining now. So now also I want to also show you how you can boost your mining speed. But first, let me explain this gas boost and friends to you. So gas, once you join Hotmining, you are being given this gas. Now is your transaction fee whenever you want to claim your HOTS once the storage is filled up. So but you have limited gas. So but for you to get access to unlimited gas to do claiming anytime you like, you need to deposit near on your here wallet. So the two wallets, since you are importing your Telegram near wallet to your here wallet app, so the two apps, it has changed. So whatever you are doing here is also showing over there. So once you do that, so you need to, like I said, you need to buy. You can buy from exchanges and transfer to your here wallet address, and your here wallet, your near wallet address is always your Telegram name. For those people doing hot mining, your near wallet address is always your Telegram name. So if your name is Joseph, it's joseph.tg. As you can see, mine right here is emiratesexchange.tg. Emirates Exchange, that's my if you want to send me a coin now, that is the address you are going to use. emiratesexchange.tg, that's the address I'm going to use if you want to send me anything. All right, so let's move over to boost. Over here in boost, this wooden storage is just to increase the time at which you mine. So normally I'm in level 1, claim every 2 hours. So in every 2 hours this thing get filled up. So for me to be able to move to 3 hours, I need to have 0.2 HOTS, which I don't have now. I only have 0.14 HOTS. But as a newbie, I would advise you not to use this particular mental storage right now. There are other things better things you can use it for. So you go back, because this wooden storage does not increase mining speed. It only increases the time at which you mine. So it saves you time. It saves your time. So but aside that, the mining speed, it doesn't increase it. What increases your mining speed is this fireplace and jedi wood, jedi or jedi, anyone you call it. So in this fireplace, what is required here, you can see on this jedi wood I'm in level 4 already. So if I click on open mission, let me see let me take it one at a time. I'm done with wooden storage, fireplace. So they said I need 0.2 HOTS to be able to migrate to level 2, and this 0. In level 1 I can only mine 0.01 in 1 per hour, which means in 2 hours that I have to get my storage filled, I can only get 0.02 HOTS. All right, so but for then I don't have the requirements to be able to migrate to this one right now because I still need to continue mining until I get a hot balance of this. It's always good to boost your mining speed. It's necessary so that you can mine faster and better. So the Jedi wood, I'm in mission 4 currently, and I want, like, if I'm in level 4, so if I want to move to level 5, let me see what it entails. The level 5, it has only one mission remaining, which is refer a friend. Just one single friend. Refer a friend. Just a single friend. Refer a friend. So once you do that, you would be able to move from this particular stage, this level 4, to level 5. For level 6, there's no mission yet, so it's still coming soon for level 6. So this is how you can mine your HOTS. And don't forget, HOTS will be bigger than Hive, ICE, and any mining app you have ever known. But I don't want to mention Notecoin because I cannot boast of things that I haven't launched. So ICE has launched, Hive have launched. So for what they've done so far, there's a bigger prospect here I see in Hotmining, because Hotmining is being sponsored by Here Wallet, and Here Wallet is one of the custodian wallets of the Near protocol. In case you don't know, you can check Near protocol from your CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. Near protocol, as at last time I checked, was about $2.08. So this is a very big and mighty project. Make sure you don't miss out. So all newbie, everyone that you've done not coin mining, everything, you need to get into HOT also. It does not take your time. And the reason they are using you need to deposit near is to flag off bots for people that are both people that want to create multiple accounts. And please don't go and create multiple accounts because your IP can be traced. Don't go and think you are smart to cheat the system. Your IP can be traced. All right. So stay safe and stay mining hot. So I'm still your favorite crypto blogger. So you can follow me on my social media and also my Telegram channel, where you can see updates for different crypto coins. And don't forget to like, share this video, and also invite your friends to join. So just enjoy alone. And there are other mining apps too, like Ice Mining is still ongoing, so their quiz is ongoing. So in case you've not answered the quiz question, I have a tutorial there that will help you with the quiz question. All right. So stay safe, stay nice. See you guys after the AFCON final. Nigeria for the win.